I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your name at the top. This takes you into Apple ID controls. Make sure your iPhone is online and signed into the account you want to change, because changes apply to that Apple ID. Once done, choose Payment and Shipping. You may be asked to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Do this promptly so you can add or edit methods without interruption. And keep your new card or PayPal login nearby to copy. Now tap Add Payment Method to enter new details, or tap an existing method to edit. This is where precision matters. You'll type the card number, expiration, and CVV plus the billing address. Mistyped addresses cause declines. If using PayPal or a linked bank, follow the in-app prompts to sign in and verify. Once entered, set the method as default if you want it used for subscriptions and purchases, and authenticate again so Apple securely saves the change. Finish by tapping Done and confirming the new method appears under Payment and Shipping. You might receive a verification email or a small authorization charge. If a purchase fails afterward, check the billing address, expiration date, and available funds, because mismatches are the most common problem. If the card is declined repeatedly, contact your bank to clear restrictions. If your Apple ID shows errors, sign out and back in or contact Apple support for account-level issues. One quick troubleshooting tip: remove and re-add the method to refresh verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.